Have you ever considered the actual consequences of stepping into the vacuum of space without the protection of a spacesuit? Media portrayals often depict astronauts bursting into pieces or freezing immediately. However, the truth is both captivating and alarming. In the vast emptiness of space, the normal atmospheric pressure we take for granted on Earth disappears in an instant, leaving our bodies exposed to conditions that are utterly hostile to human life. In just 15 seconds, the absence of atmospheric pressure would cause you to lose consciousness, not due to some dramatic explosion, but because of a lack of oxygen. Your lungs, desperate to expand, could rupture if you were foolish enough to hold your breath at this critical moment. It's a painful transition as your body alerts you to survival's urgency while simultaneously succumbing to the chilling reality of space. Compounding these effects is a phenomenon known as embolism, where the gases dissolved in your bloodstream begin to form bubbles. While it may sound like boiling blood, the reality is that your skin, sturdy and resilient, prevents any grotesque bursting. However, the swelling skin draws a stark and eerie picture, hinting at the battle raging within your body as it tries to cope with the harsh environment. Temperature swings in space are staggering. Direct exposure to the sun's unforgiving rays would subject you to temperatures exceeding 120 degrees to 250 degrees, while shifting to the shadowy side could cool your body down to a bone-chilling 150 degree and 240 degree. The initial warmth wouldn't lead to an immediate freeze. Instead, your body clings to heat, prolonging the inevitable as frostbite begins to gnaw at your skin. The boiling saliva and bluish coloration of your skin paint a dire narrative of your body's last efforts to function as oxygen depletes. If fate turned in your favor and someone quickly rescued you within a minute or two, accompanied by medical intervention, survival is possible. NASA's historical experiments with animal subjects show that some could recover well from these harrowing experiences with minimal long-term effects. Yet, stepping into space without proper gear remains a one-way ticket to certain demise, a stark reminder of why each astronaut wears a suit designed not merely for style but as a vital shield against the void.